Happy holidays, everybody. Welcome to my video. Before we get started, ensure that you're following me on Instagram, Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this post, comment down below, and share with your friends and family. Now let's get started with this video. We're going to begin by applying our foundation, our cream highlight and contour, and setting it with powder highlight and contour. Now going to apply blush and highlight. I'm going to apply my eyebrow shade, my eyeshadow, eyeliner, and eyelashes. Now it's time for lipstick and the final touches for the makeup. Thank you guys for all of your support. Please ensure that you're following me on Instagram, Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with friends and family, like this post, and comment down below.